Good day, students! Our lessons for today is all about sewing tools and equipment. So, sewing tools and equipment are different tools in garments construction. The skillful use of different sewing equipment will help take body measurements and draw up a pattern with accuracy and speed. So next, we have 5 classification of sewing tools, which is measurement tools, cutting tools, drafting tools, marking tools, and sewing tools.
What is measuring tools? Measuring tools are tools that are used for taking body measurement and for drafting patterns. So there are 4 types of measuring tools. The first is tape measure. It is a flexible ruler used to measure length or distance. Second is sewing gauge. A sewing gauge is a ruler typically 6 inches long used for measuring short spaces. Third, yardstick. A yardstick or meter stick is used to measure and mark long straight line. And the last, L-square. The L-square is a 2-piece ruler arranged in an L shape.
What is cutting tools? Cutting tools are tools used to cut fabrics, threads, and are used for trimming. The first cutting tool is bent-handle dressmaking shear. Bent-handle trimmers are great for cutting out fabric patterns and design. Pinking shear. Pinking shears are scissors with sawtooth instead of straight blades. Trimming scissor. These scissors have tapered blades with one pointed and one rounded tip. Thread clippers. Thread clippers are small scissors used for nipping excess thread and parts of fabric that have frayed or unraveled. Seam ripper. A seam ripper is a small sewing tool used for cutting and removing stitches.
What is drafting tools? It is used for drafting pattern. So there are 4 types of drafting tools. The first is L-square. For drafting, the L-square is used to create a scale pattern from original sewing patterns. Second, French curves. It is used in drafting patterns or making pattern alteration. And last, tracing paper. It is used to transfer marking from sewing patterns onto fabric.
For marking tools, we have tracing wheel. It is a serrated edge wheel, produces dots on the fabrics, and it's suitable for most types of fabrics. Next, dressmaker in carbon paper. It is used to mark on wrong side of fabric by placing colored side of carbon papers against the fabric to be marked. And next, tailor stroke. This is essential as a marker for use on materials and is available in different colors.
Sewing tools. The following are sewing tools. First, the needle. A needle is a small pointed tools for hand sewing in various sizes and types designed for different fabrics and purposes. Next, thread. Thread is a thin strand of twisted fibers often used in sewing to join fabrics together. The other one is a sewing needle thread. It is used to stitch fabrics together using a thin strand of twisted fiber passed through the eye of the needle. A thimble. It is a small protective cap worn on the finger to push the needle while sewing and preventing pricking. Pins. Pins are slender, pointed tools used in sewing temporarily fastened fabric pieces together before permanent stitching. And a pin cushion is a small cushion container designed to hold and organize sewing pins for easy access during stitching. And last, a sewing machine. It is a mechanical or computerized device that automates stitching, enhancing the efficiency of sewing tasks by rapidly creating uniforms and precise stitches.